Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing batteries, safety first. Open the shell carefully, keep screws organized so you can reverse the process. Once done, locate the analog stick module, its ribbon or flex cable, and the 3 solder pads that hold it. Inspect visually for broken traces, corrosion, or a displaced plastic stopper. You need to know if the issue is dirt, a loose cable, or a failed potentiometer before you proceed with cleaning or replacing the module. You now clean and repair the sensitive parts. Apply 90% plus isopropyl or sprayed contact cleaner to the potentiometer and PCB pads. Rotate the stick while you apply to work the cleaner into contacts. Make sure to dry components fully before testing. If the flex cable is loose, reseat it under its clip. If solder pads look cracked, reflow them with a small iron and thin solder. Once done, test movement for smooth, repeatable signals, and minimal jitter. You finish by replacing parts if necessary, then reassembling and calibrating. If cleaning didn't stop drift, install a compatible replacement analog module, match pinout and orientation. Reconnect the ribbon cable, close the shell, and tighten screws evenly to avoid warping. Power up and run the built-in calibration or joystick test. Move all axes through full range to confirm linear response. If drift or jitter remains, make sure solder joints are solid and the replacement is identical. If needed, repeat the repair with a new module.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.